Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. Continuing with our theme of looking at different browser options for your devices, we're moving to macOS this week and looking at Google Chrome, which is seen as the main competitor to Safari in the macOS browser space. Now, Google Chrome has lots of great features and functionality, and whilst historically it has been known as a bit of a resource hog, lots of efforts have been made to reduce this recently, so I thought it would be a good idea to give it a full run through and see where we are with it. Okay, first, of course, we're going to need to download Google Chrome to our machine. Now, I've just done a very quick Google search for Chrome and it brings us to this main page. So I'll click the link to download. And Chrome has two options for downloading, dependent on the chip that you have in your Mac. So if it's the M1 chip or later, depending on when you watch this, click here. Or if you have the Intel chip, then click this link. Now, this MacBook Pro does indeed have an Intel chip while I wait to upgrade, so I'll click. I need to allow download, so I'll click allow here. Whilst Chrome is downloading in the background, there are instructions as I scroll for how to install, but it is very, very simple. It's now downloaded, so I'll click up here and then double click the downloaded file. I'll drag and drop Chrome into the apps directory here. There we are, that's done. Let's just tidy these windows away. And now that that's done, I should be able to open Spotlight. Search for Chrome, and there it is, press enter. Now, as it's not from the App Store and it's from the internet instead, I need to click open. And Google Chrome opens with a tab open and a Google search page in front of us. Now, I'm asked if I want to allow notifications. Ordinarily, I say no, but I'm not actually too sure which notifications we get with Chrome. So as I'm doing a screencast, I don't think it's going to hurt to see what appears. And you can decide for yourself whether you want to turn them off or not. So let's take a quick look at the interface here. We have one tab open at the moment, and we can open new tabs along this tab bar by either clicking on the plus button here, or we can press Command and T to open new tabs. And to close the tab, simply click the crosses or press Command and W there. Now, I will say now, this is the same as Safari, and lots of the keyboard shortcuts and some of the features are the same as Safari too. But I'm not going to be saying Safari can do this and this, etc. during the video. I just want to concentrate on what Chrome can do. But do note there will be a lot of crossovers. Now, there is a notification bar asking us if we want Chrome to be the default browser. And you can set it as a default here or press the cross to remove this. Now, let's move across this toolbar now. So the standard back, forward and reload browser controls are here. Just type in a search term or a URL. And you're taken there. To the right of this, there is a star, which allows for quick bookmarking of the site. And then next to that, we have our extensions, which are almost like little apps within the browser that give it some more functionality. Now, as I did use Chrome on this machine with a previous video on Ample Note, there's an extension already here. And we'll cover those, of course, later on. To the right of that, we have a profiles button, because Google Chrome does support different user profiles, which is great, especially for things like syncing bookmarks between your devices and letting multiple users have their own profile. It's really useful. Now, the three dots here give us our main Chrome menu options. So note the shortcuts to the right of each of these as well. They do come in useful. So we have new tab, new window, a new incognito window, which protects your browsing history when you visit different sites. History can be accessed here, as well as your separate Google Chrome downloads folder. Bookmarks are here, and you can zoom in and out of the current page. You can print the page, cast it to another device, find information and words on the page as well. And there is a more tools section that we're going to be visiting in a bit more detail later on. You can cut, copy, paste. You can go to the Chrome settings, as well as access some help resources here as well.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.